This is how you can make money with digital marketing. Make sure you watch this video till the end because I'll share with you a step-by-step guide on how to make money with digital marketing. So let's get started. So what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is where you sell digital products online. And what are digital products? Digital products are something like ebooks or courses. So I want us to get started right now on how do you really get started with digital marketing. So the first step is to choose a niche. So there are different niches, and I'll be sharing with you the three evergreen niches. What I mean is these are niches where you will never lack customers to sell to. So the first niche is the health and fitness niche. The second niche is the side hustle niche, and the third niche is relationship niche. So what I'm going to talk about in this video are just the health and fitness and side hustle niche. That is what I'm currently doing. So the next step is to choose a social media platform to focus on. There is TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, and there is also Instagram. And also, the next step is to register with an affiliate program like Digistore24, System.io, Seller.co, and Staker. Last but not least is you can create and sell digital products online. So let's go to step number one, choosing a niche. So let's focus on the health and fitness niche. So if you have chosen this niche, I'd recommend you register with Digistore24. And here are some of the products you can promote on Digistore24. The Keto Diet Plan. So there's a diet plan I'm currently promoting. That is the Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. So this diet plan offers you a free offers you a free ebook on diet plan on the keto diet plan, and after that, the customer can purchase the rest of the course of the book on the diet plan. So you can always promote a free ebook, but after the end of 7 days, the customer can purchase the book. And also there are various cookbooks like the free the keto air fryer cookbook. Those are some of the books you can promote in this health and fitness niche. And also there is physical products like Biotox Gold. So there are many products on Digistore24 that you can promote. But as a beginner, you can always, I recommend you promote the keto diet plan because it's easier and cheap. Because right now you are just getting started. And when you are familiar with all the concept of affiliate marketing, you can always promote high ticket products. So let's check out the side hustle niche. These are some of the platform I recommend you register with. That is Digistore24, System.io, and Stepcat. So on Digistore24, I recommend you promote the Millionaire Secret and the four product bundles. So these products are affordable, like the Millionaire Secret product goes for $17 and you earn 50% commission. The four bundle product is 100% commission, and there are also upsell in that product. So let's go to the other platform, that is System.io. I would recommend many courses here, many valuable courses you can get on System.io. And one of the courses is how to make your first $1,000 online. I'll share in depth on this. If you want to get started with System.io, you can reach out to me and I'll show you how to get your referral link and the courses you can easily promote. Most of the courses there cost $7 and you earn 60% commission. That's about $4.2 for every sale you make. The other platform is Stakeout. Stakeout is a course on video creation content. It goes for $10 and you earn 50% commission. That means you earn $5 for every sale. And also there are various affiliate marketing courses. These are courses that teach you how to make money doing affiliate marketing. Those are some of the courses you can promote on Stakeout. So having shown you the two niches, let's go to the next step. That is to choose a social media platform to focus on. So as an affiliate marketer, just choose one platform and work on it until you make your first sale. So I recommend TikTok if you are just getting started. So on TikTok, here is what you need to do. Make 2 to 7 minutes videos. For me, I always make videos, 2 minutes videos, and make at least 3 to 4 videos daily. It only takes like 30 minutes to make a 2 minutes videos, uh, and you can edit it on CapCut and post it on TikTok. All you need to do is to create content on the niche you choose. And how do you get this content? Just go online and search for tips like how to lose weight, how to make money online tips, and just share it in form of a video. You see, it's simple as that. And when you share this consistently, you create a community where people are interested in learning what you are doing. And that is how you can recommend your affiliate offers, courses, and ebooks. And when you recommend and they purchase, you earn a commission. So why am I recommending TikTok? TikTok, you can go viral, and this is where the attention is. And where there is attention, there is money. That's where money flows. Unlike Instagram, it might take you a while. You can also do Facebook post. You can create a Facebook group, a Facebook page, and share content also there. But TikTok is what I recommend because I've done Facebook. Facebook used to work before TikTok came. So I used to post on Facebook and Instagram. Yes, I still make money on Instagram, but Facebook, no, TikTok is the best as a beginner. So when you post content on TikTok, you can repost those content on Facebook and Instagram Reels, you see, and also YouTube Shorts. So just open, but focus on TikTok and make content on TikTok. So if you want to go deeper into making money utilizing TikTok, you can always reach out to me and I'll show you how to go viral, how to find topics to talk about just on TikTok, and you can post how to post and how to edit videos and post on TikTok. So after creating content, there's one thing you need to do: post consistently, because that's the only way you can build trust. People won't trust you if you just post one video today, then wait for 2 days, you post 3 videos. No, that doesn't work. You need to post consistently. Last but not least, you can create digital products. So if you have already learned the skills, you have made sales, selling other people's product, you can now create your own course. You can create your ebook and sell it on seller.co or system.io. So let's say you want to teach people to make money online. You can create an ebook on that, on step-by-step guide, and sell it, and you can make money. So if you want an in-depth understanding of affiliate marketing, then I would recommend for you this course. The one I told you, the 4 product bundle, it's just an amazing course. And you'll get this information just for $4. The first course is Online Income Secrets. And this is all you will learn: how to make your first sale, techniques to discover the most profitable niche, finding product to promote, and imagine it's just $4. I can't cover everything here, but I'll make a review about this course around on Friday. Yes, I'll make a review about it. So the next course is YouTube Traffic Blueprint. You learn how you can utilize YouTube here, and these are all the things you learn. How to get thousands of visitors a day to your website. These are some of the things you learn. The third course on Lead Maximizer. In this training, it walks you through how to maximize the profit you make from each person through email list. And if you are interested in this course, you can check out the link in the description, or you can just DM me. So here is another one. The last course is how to build a funnel. So if you are really serious in making money online, you need a sales funnel. These are landing page where you can refer people to. You cannot just refer people to a product direct. You have to build a sales page, and it's very simple. All that is being taught on this course. So you need to grab it, guys. So that's all I had for today. And hope you learned something and you gain some value from this video. So I recommend that you can share this video, follow me, and also subscribe to my channel to learn more on how to make money online with digital marketing.